Welcome to the old schoolhouse in Spurstow. This large converted Victorian school is now a stunning private home set in splendid landscape gardens. Let's take a look around. The heart of the old schoolhouse is this large former school hall, which is now a lounge and dining room with staircase to the first floor master bedroom and cinema room. Before we take a look at the house, let's take a look at the Woodland Reserve. To the rear of the formal gardens, and available to purchase by separate negotiation, is the stunning Woodland Reserve, with lake, bridge, island, and at the far end, Lullington Lodge with hot tub, perfect for entertaining on warm summer evenings. The kitchen has been modernised with a large central island, space for seating and superb views of the garden. The schoolhouse has 4 double bedrooms and 4 bathrooms, separately accessed from 2 different halves of the property. As well as the main open plan living space, there is a separate cosy snug and dining area to one end.